Hey everybody! Like you've seen already in the intro, my channel Oleka has reached 1000 subscribers! Yay! Since most of my followers are American, I decided to make the video in English and I'm gonna add subtitles later to it. What can I say about my channel? I really had a slow start, and during the first 3 months I barely had views or subscribers, and I really needed to focus on how to create searchable and engaging content, how to use a professional camera, how to do the video editing, how to do the lighting, and it really took me a while, and I think I found my way somehow, and I really hope that you enjoy watching my videos. I really do appreciate your time and your support. It really means a lot to me, and that's why I wanted to say some words in person to you. And now I'm gonna enjoy a big piece of my beautiful yogurt lemon cake, which is, by the way, really soft and delicious. And if you want to have the recipe, just continue watching. Bye!